Hi everyone, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Nicole.
We're going to talk about our experience at the Monterey Bay Aquarium.
So, what was your favorite exhibit?
Kelp forest is pretty cool.
Yeah, that was my favorite too. Did you know that the kelp forest is one of the most productive ecosystems provided for fishes along the California coast? The macroalgae provide food for herbivorous species, which in turn provide tasty meals for a variety of fishes.
The kelp forests also provide a pretty wide variety of habitat for fish to utilize. At the top, we see a lot of small fish present to the larvae dispersal along the water surface. So there are many babies along the top of the kelp forest.
Generally, juvenile fishes associated with the mid-water experience schooling and longer larval stages, while those associated with the benthic communities are solitary with shorter larval stages. Speaking of benthic communities, at the bottom of the kelp forest, adult fishes dominate. The most abundant species of various rockfishes reside in this area, along with the rainbow surf perch, kelp bass, sardines, half-moon, opal-eye, blacksmith, and senorita.
More than 100 species of rockfish vary in color from black to green to bright orange and red. Some also wear stripes. Rising from one of the youngest fish lineages, the rockfish have highly armored bodies when compared to the more primitive clades. Their heads feature large eyes and thick, broad mouths, and are known for the bony plates on their heads and bodies, along with heavy spines all over their fins. These highly derived body plans allow for protection and predation, and suitable for the life in the rocky reefs and kelp forest. Hey look, a male sheephead!
Yeah, my favorite! These keystone predators are sequential hermaphrodites switching from female to male, which are actually simply pink in color. Sex change occurs due to hormonal changes that are triggered by social and environmental cues.
Yes, the leopard shark. A female leopard shark can give birth to up to as many as 40 young in a 10 to 12 month period, and can live up to 20 years in captivity. If you notice the barbels around the snout and mouth region, these provide a chemosensory function in aiding the ability to find prey. However, if you run into a leopard shark while snorkeling off our coast, have no fear, as these sharks are afraid of you and a simple splash will scare them off. Ugh, what is that?
You don't remember? It's the wolf eel. The wolf eel definitely isn't a wolf, but it's not a true eel either. It's a perciform fish, making it more closely related to the rockfishes than to the moray eel. The wolf eels are common in kelp forests of northern California and aren't seen in southern California. They're normally found in crevices in the rocks. However, this guy's a little too overfed to fit in a den or lair. This keystone predator monitors red urchin populations along with the California sheephead. Alright, it's time to say goodbye to the kelp forest and hello to the beautiful, mysterious open ocean.
As we make our way to the open ocean exhibit, like synchronized swimmers, sardines school together as one. As juveniles, they practice schooling techniques in pairs and then larger groups as they mature. They require sensory systems which can respond with great speed to small changes in their position relative to their neighbor. This communal lifestyle is good for these fish. When predators come near, there's safety in numbers, and when it's time to reproduce, there is no need to seek out mates, playing your close hand.
The Pacific bluefin tuna is constantly on the move. It overcomes the drag and viscosity experienced in the water column with smooth, streamlined bodies and strong forked tails. Unlike most fishes, the Pacific bluefin tuna is warm-blooded, meaning it can regulate its body heat. Aha! I found the wolf eel. He's down here.
Tunas, babe. Those are tunas.